This is the biggest no-no. It causes massive electrolysis. We see it all the time, especially underneath crawl spaces where a lot of homeowners and property owners don't often inspect. Pinholes begin, so never connect copper into galvanized. Always connect copper into brass right here. This is the best, especially the longer brass nipple that you can get, the better, especially if you're going from a galvanized system. You try to use a 6-inch brass nipple and then the copper. So this would go into the galvanized and then you would sweat your copper to this here.